What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you a really quick and easy way for you to get skinny. If you want to lose weight, like really lose weight, and you just don't know how to do it besides being lazy and not want to work out, you could put a green tea bag into a big gallon and you put it in the freezer or on the fridge, wherever you want it. I put it in the freezer and then I take it out right before it freezes up. Sometimes if it even freezes up, I just let it sit on the corner of my room and until it gets all, and I start drinking it throughout the whole day. The goal is to drink the entire gallon, 1 gallon a day, for 40 days, and let's see how that goes. I know it definitely works. I just recently started doing this cold method, and it's amazing. When it's cold, chill, refreshing. Cheers. You can get any tea bag from Safeway, Trader Joe's. I would recommend Trader Joe's. $2.50 for 40 tea bags. I promise you, you get used to drinking tea, make that a habit part of your everyday, and you will lose weight. I'm going to be making more videos for you guys on how to lose weight with green tea, because everybody knows that I love green tea. See you next time, guys.